Moni amala wanzanga ine ndine Madalo Kajala ndipo ndimaphunzira ku Blue Star. Tabwera kuno ku Tasty Bites kumene tabwera kuti tidzaphunzire zinthu zosiyanasiyana, tidzaphunzire mmene tingapangire pizza komanso mabanzi.
Zinanga ndi Comfort Chisiza from Blue Star Hospitality Consultants. Tabwera ku Tasty Bites tidzaphunzira mmene tingapangire pizza komanso play. So mutondola mmene tiwonetsa linkali mwathu muti integration komanso bar. So for us.
I'm the manager of Tasty Bites. Kukoza kwa Blue Stars for coming to our restaurant here in the bakery. Kusabanga practice ma several of my tumakadubanga savers. Our shop here we make bread, we make several pastries, we make pizza, we make buns, we make donuts. So to also my students have considered themselves have to spare their time. So some of the services I Meduvanga offer, when you order food, you're able to take it, sit here, and serve my meals and and as you're having your meals, but my customers say now you prefer to drink, alcohol, soft drink. So we have the bar, several drinks to offer you such type of things, and we have as shisha. Despite all, during the weekends, we have the TV where you can have your time and watch TV. For my youth, you have the game zone where you can play your games and have a chat with your friends. So those are one of the services I made Mabangas offer. Thank you.